When it comes to enhancing your home in St. James, few upgrades offer as many benefits as replacing or upgrading your windows. Quality windows not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of a property but also contribute significantly to everyday comfort. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to improve your living space, windows play a central role in shaping how your home looks and feels. Enhancing everyday comfort. Better insulation and temperature control. St. James experiences a variety of seasonal temperatures, and the right windows can help maintain balance year-round. Modern double-pane or triple-pane windows provide superior insulation, reducing heat loss in the winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer. By limiting drafts and preventing outside temperatures from seeping in, these windows help maintain a consistent indoor climate, making your living space more enjoyable and energy efficient. Noise reduction for peaceful living. Another comfort advantage is sound insulation. If your St. James property is near busy roads, schools, or shopping areas, the right windows can make a world of difference. Modern designs with insulated glass and tightly sealed frames reduce outside noise, creating a peaceful environment indoors. For families and professionals working from home, this translates into quieter spaces and improved quality of life. Healthier indoor environment. Windows with advanced sealing technology also help reduce the infiltration of dust, allergens, and moisture. This is particularly important in coastal or humid areas around St. James where excess moisture can contribute to mold growth. By maintaining better indoor air quality, updated windows promote a healthier environment for you and your family. Boosting curb appeal. Fresh style and modern aesthetics. The exterior of your home makes the first impression, and windows are a key element of curb appeal. Outdated or worn windows can make a property look neglected, while modern replacements instantly refresh the facade. Whether you prefer traditional designs that complement St. James's classic architecture or sleek contemporary frames for a modern look, there are endless styles to match your vision. Increased natural light and spacious feel. Beyond the exterior, windows shape how your home feels inside. Larger panes and updated designs allow more natural light to enter, brightening interiors and making spaces feel larger and more inviting. From sunlit living rooms to airy kitchens, natural light enhances the atmosphere, creating a warm and welcoming environment for family and guests. Value-adding upgrade. When potential buyers view properties in St. James, updated windows are a major selling point. They signal energy efficiency, reduced maintenance needs, and a modernized home. By improving both form and function, replacement windows can increase property value and shorten the time your home spends on the market if you decide to sell. Energy savings that pay off. Comfort and curb appeal are just the beginning. Energy-efficient windows lower heating and cooling costs, making them a financially smart investment. In St. James, where seasonal shifts can drive up utility bills, homeowners notice immediate benefits from reduced energy consumption. Over time, these savings add up, offsetting the cost of installation while providing long-term comfort and style. Choosing the right windows for St. James homes. When upgrading your windows, it's important to consider local climate, home style, and your long-term goals. Vinyl, fiberglass, and wood-clad windows are popular choices, each offering unique advantages in durability, insulation, and aesthetics. Working with a professional installer ensures proper fitting and sealing, maximizing the performance and lifespan of your investment. Final thoughts. Windows are more than just glass panes. They are essential components that shape your comfort, health, and property value. For St. James homeowners, investing in quality windows means enjoying a quieter, more energy-efficient home while showcasing a fresh, attractive look from the curb. Whether you're focused on creating a cozy sanctuary for your family or preparing your property for the market, new windows are a smart upgrade that delivers lasting rewards.